Inflammation of the throat triggers an immune response and the proliferation of antibodies in the human body, which increases the chance of kidney disease. For example, in some cases of COVID-19 patients. Why does this happen? Let's start with kidney function. Glomerulus, also called capillary glomerulus. It filters 200 liters of liquid every day, which is equivalent to the capacity of 10 water dispenser drums. If calculated based on the weight of 1 kilogram per liter, it is equivalent to 3 times the human average body weight and produces 2 liters of urine through the renal tubules. To make matters worse, when urine protein increases, the amount of urine excreted from the body decreases, leading to nephrotic syndrome. Further anuria may lead to heart failure, breathlessness, and life-threatening consequences. Therefore, when we have throat pain that cannot be relieved by drinking water and resting, we should consult a doctor for treatment. The following story raises the question of how to replenish electrolytes when the body is extremely dehydrated. Drink water slowly and intermittently, and eat salty snacks such as pickles. As long as your stomach is not bloated, that's fine. An elderly man in his 80s suffered from acute gastroenteritis after eating overnight food in the refrigerator at home alone, and developed symptoms such as vomiting and diarrhea. This resulted in his urine output being very low. The average person's serum creatinine is around 100 µmol. His value was as higher than 300 µmol. This is typical of acute renal failure. Adults have 2 million to 3 million nephrons. Generally speaking, starting from the age of 40, as the age increases, the nephrons of ordinary people are naturally lost at a frequency of 1% to 2% per year. However, due to the kidney's habit of working silently, we don't feel it until it has lost 70% of its function before symptoms such as back pain appear. To sum up, in addition to the 2 liters of urine visible to the naked eye every day, plus about 1 liter to 1.5 liters of water excreted by our body through breathing and skin, the amount of water we need every day must be equal to it. Therefore, the daily water intake should be at least 6 liters. Depending on your personal conditions and circumstances, such as the balance between strenuous exercise and hot and cold weather, it is not appropriate to drink too much or too little. Take a small sip at a time and drink it in small amount to replenish the lost water in time. Don't wait until you're thirsty to drink plenty of water.